Today we're tackling a specific Minecraft issue that's been frustrating players, error code D0010. If you're seeing this connection or authentication error when trying to play, I've got you covered with these proven solutions that should get you back to building and exploring in no time. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to account authentication, game files, or connection issues. First, let's try the simplest solution: restart your game and launcher. Completely close Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher. If you're on Windows, check your system tray to make sure no background processes are still running. Then reopen the launcher and try logging in again. If that doesn't work, let's check your internet connection. Minecraft requires a stable connection for authentication. Try switching between Wi-Fi and a wired connection, or test your mobile data if you're on a portable device. You can also try restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Now, let's verify your game files through the launcher. Open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installations. Find your current installation profile, click the three dots, and select Edit. Click More Options, and then Repair. This will check and fix any corrupted game files. If you're still getting the error, let's check your Java installation. Minecraft relies on Java, and outdated or corrupted Java can cause D0010 errors. Visit java.com to download and install the latest version of Java, then restart your computer. For Windows users, let's try running the game as administrator. Right-click the Minecraft launcher shortcut, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. This can help with permission-related authentication issues. If the problem persists, let's check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software can block Minecraft's connection. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall. Remember to re-enable them later, then try launching Minecraft. If it works, you'll need to add Minecraft to your security software's exception list. As a last resort, you can try completely reinstalling Minecraft. First, back up your worlds and resource packs. Uninstall through Control Panel, then delete any remaining Minecraft folders in App Data. Download a fresh installer from Minecraft.net and install again. I know how frustrating error code D0010 can be when you're trying to enjoy Minecraft. One of these solutions should resolve the issue. For most players, repairing the installation or checking Java installation does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to playing Minecraft, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.